It's not a phone, it's an iPod.
Are you singing?
It's so hot in here.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
Sorry, I put my warm PJs on. Zoe, are you ready? Look here. What's this? Zoe? What's this? What's in here? It's an Inky Nonk. I think it's an Inky Nonk. Look here. What's this? What way round does the Ninky Nonk go? Have you seen it upside down? What's all this? It's not the best time. Are you tired and overwhelmed? All the toys coming out. Is it like it's your birthday?
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Seven.
Zoe. How old are you?
7.
2. Are you 2?
You're
Zoe?
2.
2.
Clever girl. How old are you?
2.
Clever girl. Are you 2? Zoe, how old are you?
2.
2. 2. Clever girl. Show me 2 with your fingers. 2.
2.